Hi, this is James again, here for another COVID mask extravaganza, something to do to tease your children if you wish. Today I'm going to make an underwear mask. Here I've got the raw material I'm going to be working from, some gently used size 8 underpants that someone near and dear to me was running around the house wearing on their head. And having outgrown them, I said, okay, I'm going to use that for something, and immediately cut off the elastic, thinking, oh, elastic, it's kind of hard to come by, good for earpieces. And just look how this fits perfectly for use as a COVID mask. Here's another one over here, and I'll think about that one. But great raw materials for a mask to tease your juveniles with. So I won't go into full detail on how to make these masks. I've done those in other videos, which you can see the links above, or just search on my YouTube channel or search for fabric COVID masks using domestic treadle machine or treadle sewing machine. Here we've got the raw material. I've got the template put on it. Just cut around it with a rotary cutter. Here's everything cut down to size. The other pair of underpants for raw material. I've folded that in half, and I also fold the design template in half and then superimpose them and cut them out with the rotary cutter. Now prepare the elastic for the ear bands. Watch out for the seam. Cut to 7 inches, maybe a little less, because these ended up loose. And then pin the layers together, good sides together, with the elastic bands pinned to the corners, like this. All right. Then use your template marks to fold the pleats and pin them in place. I won't make you watch me struggle with this. I find this to be the hardest and most tedious part, but this is the final result here. When I got done, I discovered the pin sticking out. I grabbed hold of it with pliers and pulled it out, and it all came out except for the head. You know, the only thing worse than a dart in your britches is a pinhead.